Check out this song. Coming soon.
Let me show you how it's done right.
Oh my god. Tinnitus. Yeah, so as you guys hear, I'm working on something. If you guys want to like have me break down this project in the future, just let me know in the comments. And if you want this sound that I'm about to show you, which is this one, it's going to be in my Patreon. So get it down in the description. But what we are going to do right now is show you the one and only loose LFO bass. Now, I learned this watching Eliminate's tutorial on his breakdown of break shit, but this was from a virtual RIOT preset, and I basically learned what he did on that preset and then made my own. But first, I want you to see like what I can do with this. So this LFO1 is for the tonality, for the tone, the timbre, right? LFO2 is for the push and pull. This is for the actual shape of our sound. Cool. So then if you look here, usually we're at BPM, right? Like cool people. But if you take off BPM, you can mess with the rate like this. So you can make buildups, or you can make cool basses like I did right here. Start up high, go down low, go back up high, like this. Then we can go back up. Woo! And that's what I did in this song. If you heard during that, it changed, and that's because it's at 4 bars. So every 4 bars, the tone changes. So, yeah. That's cool. So let's show how we did this today. So I'm going to turn off all of these first. First thing that you want to do is make your first LFO, LFO1, 4 bar, make it like this. Cool. Put this on the FM from B, which is going to be at 31%. Turn it up 21. Make sure this level's down. This random's down. Make sure oscillator B level is also down. Wavetable position will be all the way down, actually at 1, and then you're going to turn it up 65 with the LFO1. 6 voices of unison. Detune is at 0.41. Make sure your noise is on. J106 in analog. Chorus. Pitch is at 50%, but then we're using LFO1 to move it up 28. Level is all the way down. You're going to add an LFO2, which is going to be this shape. This is going to be the one that is the push and pull. So we're going to put it on this level, as well as the sub level all the way up, as well as oscillator A level all the way up. Make sure the sub is at -1 and the sub is at the cool rounded sine wave, which gives no F's about what you care about today. Cool. Then you're going to add oscillator B. Make sure that your wavetable is digital evil sweep for oscillator A. Oscillator B is basic shapes, and we have this weird square at 5. Make sure that's at 6 voices of unison. Make sure you have 0.20 detune. This octave will be at +2. -12 semitones. Blends at 75. Randoms all the way down. Make sure you turn off the BPM on this rate so we can control the rate. Make sure trigger is on, both of them. Cool. So you see what it's doing there? Awesome. Add the filter, comb plus. Very nice. Then you're going to put the push and pull on the resonance. Turn it up to 68. The cutoff is going to be at 69 hertz. LFO1 will be on the cutoff, and it's going up to 29, only affecting A. You could mess with A and B if you wanted to, but this is only affecting A for now. The pan is at 55%. It looks like our pitch is 24 going up and -12 going down. Make sure direct out is on the sub as well. And we're done with this section. Now, of course, we got to add some distortion, diode 2. This is the push and pull distortion, so we're going to add LFO2 to the drive all the way up. Makes a big difference. Get you a filter. Phase 24 plus, flanges. Cutoff is at 53. LFO1 is going on the cutoff to 39, up 39. Then you're going to add it to this knob, turn it up 13. And then we're going to make sure the drive is at 57 and the resonance is at 48. Mix is at 48 as well. Putting it in the filter. Adding more movement. Add the hyperdimension. Rates at 40. Detunes 25. Mix is at 0. The push and pull LFO is going to go on the mix and go up 42. And then for the dimension, it's going up 22. On the mix knob, size is all the way down. Adding stereo width. Get the phaser to add a different tonality. The mix is all the way down. Put it up 35 using LFO2. Phase is at 0. Speeds at 80. Frequencies at 190. Depths at 36. Rates all the way down. Sounds like this. Slightly changing the tone to a deeper tone. Get you a delay. We're going to link them and then put it a short delay at 23. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get macro 2. You're going to add it to the feedback knob, and you're going to add it to the mix. Turn it up 51, turn the mix at 55, and you'll use this knob to add tonal delay, and you can automate this later. Add that metallic-y sound when you want, and automate it, of course. Get the reverb. Get the macro 3, put it on the mix all the way up. This will control your reverb. Make sure it's plate, size is all the way down, pre-delay all the way down, low cut 6, high cut 68, damp 25, width is at 20. Get your compressor, put multiband on, gains at 6.7, and it sounds like this. Now you hear a lot of movement, a lot of phasiness. Get the EQ, we're going to finish it off with some more movement. Get LFO1, put it on frequency knob, which is going to be at 131. You're going to turn it up to 17. Gains at 11.2. This is at the low cut. Then we have a high shelf. Frequencies at 2041. Q is at 60. Sounds like this. So we're doing a nice low sweep right here. Oh, very nice. The EQ will be our last final. Cool. Now that you have your sound, you could start automating everything and really start pumping it up. The way I did it here was I played this D1 note and I automated an auto filter. I automated the tonal delay, which I showed you. We automated the rate, of course, which is moving the fastness, the pitch bend, so it's going up and down in pitch, and then the gain on this utility for the volume. So this utility is right here. This is the volume automation right here. We add an OTT just to add some multiband dynamics. We pump it up a little bit, 5 decibels a gain, 74%, 214 time. We turn on this auto filter, and then we automate this frequency so it can basically introduce us high frequencies as the sound goes. So listen. So there's reverb going with the room knob. We also have the auto filter frequency, that tonal delay, that metallic-y sound is from the tonal delay. This is the pitch bend, so it's going up pitch and back down. And then the sound is just like in the middle. So then to finish it off, you add the Dripment stereo effects to add your middle sound and your wide sound. And then you have this. You know what it is. This was the loose LFO bass. Like Eliminate, like Virtual Riot, they do it good. You're going to be able to make your own sounds with this. And that's the most important thing. Make your own sound. All right, have fun, experiment. If you want this sound, get it in my Patreon. This whole song is going to be released sometime. You guys let me know if you want me to break it down. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. You guys have been great. Peace out. Stay fresh.
Let me show you how it's done right.